I wanna hope everyone had a great holidays, happy New Year's. If you celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas. If you celebrate Thanksgiving, Happy Thanksgiving. I just did a small video of like my everything look for you guys. It's just like a natural look, as you can see. Stay tuned to watch the rest of the video. Make sure you don't leave without leaving a comment of what you liked, what else you want to see take place in this channel. I got you guys. Enjoy the video. So starting off with a fresh face, I am going in with my First Aid Beauty Repair Cream. This is my go-to for the winter, guys, especially for dry skin. Color correcting, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the tone orange based off of my orange undertone. I'm just going in all of my dark spots and circles, and I'm going in with a small damp beauty blender.
Saturday night, sensational double thrill stock car spectacular at 7:30 at noon.
Going in with foundation, I'm using my Milani Conceal Imperfect in the color Chestnut. This is a light to buildable coverage, so I like using my foundation brush and my beauty blender to blend this out.
Mile and fog patches and showers early Friday.
Onto highlighter, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Conceal highlighter in the color Honey. Now don't drag me, y'all. I know I picked up a lighter color than I should, but I just been working with it and it's been working out fine. I just try to blend out as much as I can.
Sycamore tree, dream a little dreamer.
Set that highlighter, I'm going in with my Aerospun Translucent Face Powder. Now instead of baking, I like packing on that powder. I find this to be a better technique for me. Now to warm up my face, I'm using my NYX Conceal Correct Contour Palette in the color Deep. I'm using the darkest color on the palette to contour my nose, my cheekbones, to cover that double chin as well. And then I'm gonna blend, and blend.
I got broads in Atlanta, just to put me in the family. Credit cards and scammers.
For highlighter, I'm using my Makeup Revolution Strobe Highlighter in the color Addict. I'm putting this on all of the high points of my face. I like this illuminator. It's light on the skin, and I like how it's buildable with different intensities.
Ain't nothing matching like Randy. The chopper go out to the granny. This nigga pull on your bandit. Open killers understand it. In Atlanta, just to put me in the family. Credit cards and scam.
Finishing off, I'm using my L'Oreal Nude Eyeshadow Palette. I'm using a brown, and I'm using this just to bring out my eyes a little more.
Legacy, Vanna, why you see, legacy.
I'm wearing a wig today. This is one of the synthetic wigs that I have, one of many. I really do love synthetic wigs. If you guys want me to do like a tutorial or like details on like where I get my wigs or like the best wig, synthetic wig, cheap wigs, whatever you guys like, let me know. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I want to start creating more. I want to start vomiting out a lot of content. That was like a weird word to use, but yeah, whatever that means. Like, I just want to be more active, like just start throwing out super different videos, doesn't matter what. Like, I know it's more about like quality than quantity. I've been slacking so much and I just want to get this shit in the works, and I just want to entertain you guys, whoever is out there that is worth entertaining. Like, I know someone needs to see this.